Do you need a special sewing machine to start quilting? Now, I see this question all the time, and my honest answer for most beginners is, well, no. But here's the thing. I think that the reason that so many beginners are asking the question in the first place is actually really interesting, and it tells us something important about what's actually keeping people stuck. Stay with me because this video might just surprise you. But first, who am I? I am Kim, this is Quilt with Kim, and you, my lovely, are very, very welcome. Let's start with the straightforward answer because I don't want to keep you guessing. Now, I have already said in the intro that for most beginners, you do not need a special quilting machine. What you do need is a machine that sews a reliable, accurate, straight stitch in a straight line, and just that's it. If your machine does that, and it does it consistently, and it does it well, then you have everything that you need to begin learning to quilt. And I know that seems strange, but I had a machine that sewed a perfect curve. I kid you not, that had to be ditched. Now, I know that's not what the internet will always tell you because it's always going to be trying to sell you the latest, greatest things. And I know that there are a lot of very beautiful and very expensive sewing and quilting machines out there, and it can feel like you just need one before you're allowed to start. But you absolutely don't. The most important thing at the beginning of your quilting journey isn't the machine sitting on your sewing or dining room table. It's the skills that you're building. And it's those skills that can absolutely be built on a basic, humble, straightforward sewing machine. Now, I do want to be fair here because I am not saying that machines don't matter at all, because that wouldn't be true either. There are certain features that can definitely make quilting far more comfortable as you progress. For instance, a larger throat space gives you more room to manoeuvre a bigger quilt. A walking foot or the option to fit one makes quilting the layers together obviously much easier because it feeds everything through at the same time. An adjustable needle position that's easy to move left and right to get accurate seam allowances. And a needle up down function can really help you, and speed controls as well are really lovely things to have. But, and this is really important, those features are not the reasons most beginners are stuck. My first machine did not have those on them. Those features are nice to have, but they're not the entry ticket. A more expensive machine can absolutely be lovely, and I know we would all like one, but it is not what makes you a quilter. So, what does a good enough to start machine actually look like? Here's a simple checklist that can just help you. Firstly, does your machine sew a straight stitch, and does it sew it reliably? Secondly, is the tension consistent so that your stitches look neat on both sides of the fabric? Third, you can either find and sew a 1/4 inch seam with it, or you can fit, or you already have a 1/4 inch foot. Because a 1/4 inch seam allowance is the main currency of the patchwork world, and we need to make sure that we can sew a consistent 1/4 inch seam. Is your machine in good working order? Has it been recently serviced, or at least is it cleaned, and has it got a fresh needle, and is it ready to go? Crucially, you know how to thread it and change your needle successfully. This last one matters more than people realise, because knowing your machine and feeling comfortable with your machine rather than scared of it is worth far more than any fancy features that you can get. The fancy features don't make you a better sewer. If your machine ticks all of those boxes, then you are ready. Don't let anybody or anything tell you otherwise. But here's where I see the real problem. Because I've been teaching beginners for over 10 years now, and what I've noticed is that when a beginner tells me that they're worried about their sewing machine, they're often not really worried about the machine itself at all. I've seen so many beginners spend ages going round and round in circles, worrying about the machine, the presser foot, the thread, the ruler, the cutting mat, the fabric choices. But underneath all of that is usually just one bigger, quieter worry, and that is, what if I get this wrong? The machine question matters, but it's often standing in for a confidence question, and that's completely understandable. Quilting can feel complicated and overwhelming, especially when you're trying to piece everything together from YouTube videos and Google searches and well-meaning advice from every direction. When everything feels uncertain, it is natural to focus on the things that you can buy, because buying something feels like you're taking action. But confidence in quilting doesn't come from owning a fancy machine, it comes from having the right roadmap. Which brings me very nicely onto something that I want to share with you today. Because the biggest mistake that I see beginner quilters make isn't buying the wrong sewing machine. It's trying to piece everything together without a clear path to follow. Hopping from one tutorial to the next, buying tools and fabric and hoping that it'll all click into place eventually, and then when it doesn't, quietly assuming that the problem is them. It isn't. It never is. The problem is always the same. There was no clear roadmap, and that is exactly why I'm hosting a free masterclass, and I would love you to come. It's called The Beginner's Quilting Mistake That Nobody Talks About, and the 3-step roadmap to finally quilt with confidence. In this free masterclass, I'm going to walk you through what's really keeping beginner quilters stuck, and it's probably not what you think. And then I'm going to share a simple and clear 3-step roadmap that will show you exactly how to move from confused and overwhelmed to calm, confident, and actually quilting. No more going around in circles, no more wondering if you need a better machine or different fabric or more tools or yet another YouTube tutorial. Just a clear path forward from someone who has helped hundreds of beginners take their very first stitches. It is completely free and I would love to see you there. The link to register is just in the description below. Grab your spot now because spaces are limited. And you probably don't need a different sewing machine. You just need a clearer plan, and I have one waiting for you. If this has helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will love you and I will leave you for now, and I will look forward to seeing you at the masterclass.